Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Tro. I am Crypto Tro, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies for beginners. And today, we're going to talk about the Cronos blockchain and the multiple things, that they're doing and the feats and the accolades that they are achieving and just watching the chain grow since day one. We're going to talk about that and just talk about why I'm still super bullish on the Cronos blockchain. If you know, that's one of the first blockchains that I got onto. And I believe it still has so much room to grow and with the entire DeFi sector in itself. So I believe DeFi is going to grow, but I believe Cronos is going to grow just with DeFi as well. So we're going to talk about that. But before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, like this video. If I'm adding value to you, you got a multitude of different videos that I have showing you different things in the crypto space, showing you how to get in on the mint sessions of different NFT projects, showing you how to make liquidity pools and much, much more, man. So tap in to the YouTube channel Crypto Tro, and also make sure you follow me on Twitter, Tro_crypto. Like I always say, this is where you can get in contact with me if you had any questions or just want a simple dialogue. This is where it's done. So that's my spiel. I had to give you that spiel. And I also got to let you know I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion and personal take on things. So we're going to get straight into it like this. So right now, we're currently on CoinMarketCap. That's one of my favorite places to just, view what's going on as far as the whole entire crypto space. And we can see right now, we are on Cronos, and we see Cronos is currently ranked number 19 out of the top 100. We see the price is at 18 cents, up, a little 0.5% on the day. And we see the market cap is at $4.6 billion, up 0.5%. The fully diluted is $5.5 billion, up 5.5%. And the volume is $30 million, up 3% on the day, man. Then we see the circulating supply right there. But let's just scroll down and let's just look at the chart, man. So I like to zoom out on the chart, and we can see right now we are at that 18 mark, but we can see just in August, or not even August, in July last year, we were at 10 cents, man. So if you've been in crypto.com for at least a year, you are still in profit right now, man. I tell people it's not about time in the market, it's about time in the market. So this is, like I said, the price or the chart for the year, and we see the height of it. It reached about 90 cents in November, but then since it's been going down. But we already know, like I always say, man, everything is going to follow Bitcoin right now, especially with it being so early in the crypto space. A lot of assets, really all around the board. We look at tech stocks, we look at Bitcoin and all the other major assets. We see right now everything is kind of down, man. Everything is down, and just on a macro scale, especially with these altcoins, you got to expect kind of a little punishment on the downtrend. Just because if Bitcoin goes down 50 to 80%, well, alt might go down, 80 to 100 or 150%. It just depends. It's going to go down, though. You got to take it and live with it. But like I said, time in the market is not your friend. Your time in the market is your best friend. How long have you been investing? And like I said, if you started a year ago today, you will still be in profit right now. Now, you could have caught some profits on the way up, but like I said, get in the market, start today, start whenever, just dollar cost average and build up your stack. So I just wanted to look at that chart, man, showing you Crow and all of that. Like I said, I'm still super, super bullish on Crow because they have the best marketing, in my opinion, in the crypto space, or one of the best marketing teams. Like, they are really putting the name out there, the crypto.com name, the Cronos name. They're putting it out there so people are actually getting familiar with what's going on. And then just really putting that brand with the app, it just makes more people. So if I'm buying crypto, I want to download crypto.com because that's where you buy crypto. So that's just my thesis behind it, just on the floor level, because a lot of people get you to going around in circles, and they want to talk all these big words and these big names and all of that. But I just want to let you know, the more simple it is, the easier for people to catch on. So that's why I always say they crypto.com are geniuses in this sense, because crypto.com, like, I'm going to automatically think, okay, this is where I need to go to buy crypto. This is just like one of those things that's just obvious that you kind of, it's just one of those obvious things. And I think crypto.com will be that, one of the top exchanges in the future just because of what they are doing right now. But not only on, the centralized side or that type of portion, but also on the DeFi side as well. So a lot of people haven't gotten into the DeFi sector or started investing in any DeFi protocols, but this is something big in the future because I believe crypto.com will have one of the easiest transitions from DeFi or from CeFi to DeFi, just because of how they have the wallet or the crypto.com app connected to the DeFi wallet. So that's what my thesis behind it. I think they're going to have not to say a smooth, but one of the smoother transitions, transitioning normal people into the DeFi sector. Because even in the DeFi wallet now, they actually do a pop-up where they allow you to earn VVS. VVS is one of those protocols on Cronos Blockchain. It's like the first DEX on there. So they actually, when you download the DeFi wallet, they actually have a pop-up that allows you to start staking XVVS for 144%. That's for like 5 years or something like that. But they making it a simple transition, man. That's what is going to be needed for having people, if they haven't been introduced to DeFi, they're going to need some type of simple introduction to that. So now I'm on DeFi Loma right now, and we can see right now we're on the total value lock amongst all chains. And then we just see, man, when we scroll down, we see in the 7th place, we got Cronos coming in right there with 59 protocols. But like I said, all around the board, DeFi is down in general. That's just across every blockchain. Like if we go down the screen, we see nothing but red screens. We see a couple of green screens. They probably are newer chains, but majority of these are moving downward in a bear market. But like I said, DeFi is the future as far as being able to be your own bank. I do think it's going to need some certain tweaks to make people more comfortable dealing with DeFi. But I do firmly believe that a lot of people will transition from being strictly banks to actually going into the DeFi sector, man. So that's what I've personally done. I'm already involved in DeFi, but I'm really ready for that transition to where it's seamless, where you can go from centralized finance to instantly DeFi finance or decentralized finance. You get what I'm saying? But I say all this to say, going back to Cronos is really doing this thing with the integration. And also, we just see a lot of stuff that's going on the Cronos blockchain. So this is from the month of May, and we can see the monthly growth rate in total unique addresses of top EVM blockchain. So coming in number 1 is Avalanche, but right after Avalanche, we see Cronos is coming in right there, man. So that means a lot of new people are coming onto the blockchain. A lot of new people are actually getting into the DeFi sector. And that's one of the things that I just want to reiterate, that they make it so easy. Once you download the DeFi wallet, you can easily make a wallet for your, if you want to get involved in DeFi. So just seeing that growth, seeing the monthly growth for May, that's always something exciting and always something to add to it. And also, there's nothing too major, but we see Cronos has flipped BNB chain bi-weekly NFT sales volume. And I gotta say, man, to be honest, I ain't gonna lie to you, the Mad Meerkat team is probably like one of the best NFT teams out there. I don't care what blockchain it is. I feel like they are competing with, the likes of some of the NFT projects on the ETH blockchain, because not only are they just making these JPEGs, but they making JPEGs that give you utility. And I always say that, me personally, I don't want to just buy an NFT, because even though NFTs are art and they might appreciate, I feel like, in my personal opinion, I want my NFT to have some type of utility and it's working for me. Something similar to like a rental property. Like as I'm holding a rental property, it might go up in value. It might not stay. It might stay the same. It might go down. But while I'm doing so, I'm renting out and I'm making money on that property. And that's what I like about NFTs with utility. Even the value goes up or down with the Mad Meerkat tree houses, you actually can stake your Mad Meerkat treehouse and still earn MAD as the price or the floor price of the NFT fluctuates. So that's one thing I always look for in NFT sales. And I believe that's a reason why Cronos is being so popular right now and is growing so fast, because they have NFTs, dope NFTs now, not just regular NFTs, but these NFTs are very, very, well thought out, well developed, good artists, really just overall a good project, and they pretty much come with utility. So that's my main thing about that. Like I said, this is nothing major. I just wanted to put this up here, but the Cronos has flipped BNB chain, and this was on May 30th. So looking forward to see the NFT sales continue to go up, just because we are in a bear market and people don't understand that. But once we out of that bear market, I believe everything will shoot up like crazy, especially on the Cronos blockchain. So that's my video for today. Didn't want to hold you up too long. Just wanted to let you know why I'm still super bullish on Cronos. And it's just a Cronos blockchain update. A lot of people ask me about Cronos and what's going on, and am I still invested in crypto.com? Yes, it's one of my favorite projects, one of my favorite teams overall, just because, like I said, first the marketing, and then not only is that, but I believe that they are making the easiest transaction from centralized finance to decentralized finance with having the crypto.com app and the crypto.com DeFi app. Or DeFi wallet rather. So that's my little spiel for today, Crypto Tro. If I added value to you today, like this video, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also follow me at Tro_crypto. Crypto Tro, I'm out of here.